All right, so, little Cub Scouts, just remember a great dance performance comes from the heart. Just comes straight from the heart, you'll never go wrong.
Sure, mister.
Hey, I'm okay. I just happened to walk by. I thought I'd wish you luck. You're not nervous, are you?
Nah, it's my thing, you know? It's kind of what I do.
In my opinion, the key to this whole thing is choosing the right competitor.
Oh, you mean like this is like a dance battle sort of thing? Like a dance-off?
Sure.
Great, love that. Freestyle, put your moves out. Who do you think would be a good match for me? You know, just to keep things interesting.
Well, I wish I could help, but that's strictly against our ancient tradition and all that we hold sacred. But if it was me out there, I'd choose Teetsi.
Teetsi, okay. Sounds interesting. Bakunga, right? Thank you.
Anything for Zuba's boy. Go get him, Tank.
Shake it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do this.
Let us begin the rite of passage ceremony.
Come on, baby. Make mama proud.
Oh, woman, I'm trying to take care of
On
business
it, Mom!
here. So who will be the first participant?
Me. Oh, me.
How about you?
Me, please.
The tall, handsome one, right there, yeah. Choose your opponent.
Let me see. I guess I'll pick... Teetsi?
Teetsi! Why did he pick Teetsi?
Oh, that's my boy. He got some gumption there. Somebody wake him up. Wake him up. Okay.
So, Teetsi, come on. Let's do this, huh? Come on, Teetsi Fly. Little Teetsi Fly, come on, let's see your stuff. Bring it.